Alright, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, it's going to be simple. I'm going to be doing how to restore faded trim. This is on my dad's truck, and these have been stepped on a lot. As you can see, they're pretty destroyed, but I still want to do a video to demonstrate how to do this. Some videos online say to heat it up with a heat gun. You can do that, but you're basically just melting the plastic and making it look new, but you're really just melting it. Other videos actually have a black dye, I believe you can put on there. And then there's this stuff which basically just rejuvenates. It's like oil that penetrates the plastic and makes it look new again. But we're going to jump right into this. This is off Amazon. This will all be linked down in the description. I'll also have some other things down there. You're definitely going to want some gloves because this stuff can get pretty oily and slick. It's definitely really slick. Before I did this, I did wash this off. Some other things to mention: if water is dried on this a whole bunch, all these white areas here, some of that is oxidization like you would have on a window. You can get that off with like oxidization remover, but it's going to be pretty hard to get off of plastic. I'm not really sure some other ways to do that, but you can for sure do it. And this stuff will take it out quite a bit, but we're just going to jump right into it. So I have used this stuff before. It's Trinova, so it comes with a little applicator pad. Most of them will on Amazon. Alright, everybody, so we're back. You're just going to take your applicator pad. Most of these that you buy off Amazon or anywhere should have an applicator pad. I'll link this one down in the description. This was actually a really good price, and it works really well. It lasts for months, basically, well over 3 months. It actually lasts quite a long time, so you're just going to take it. Pretty simple. Just run along there. It's a clear stuff, and then I'm going to do, this side's not going to be done, and then this side is, so you're basically just going to take it. And this is kind of hard because it's contoured, but we'll still be able to get it done. This stuff does go quite a ways. It will last. Your goal is really not to do one wipe, it's to work it into the plastic down in the crevices. And for areas like the upside of this, you can put it on like the edge, like that, and work it in there like that. Make sure you don't get it on the paint, of course. Alright, so we're basically done. This was a pretty simple video, of course. I'll pull the tape off so you guys can see it. Pretty self-explanatory. Just make sure you really work it into the plastic. Foam is better, in my opinion, than like a cloth applicator pad. I don't really know if they come with cloth ones, but... And then you're going to want to let this dry before you do anything. Well, you'll want to wipe it off with a microfiber, which I have right here. Just a junky microfiber cloth. You'll want to wipe it off. And the thing I like about this stuff is it dries not like super shiny. I'm not a huge fan of the like super shine. I like the more deep black that this gives. Alright, everybody, as you guys can see, got you a little zoomed in here. Just to show you the difference that it has here. Obviously this side done, this side not done. And the applicator pad still has some on it. I mean, it really does not take much to do. So, and it works really good. This will last for a couple months. You definitely want to wear gloves. This stuff like stays on your fingers and it makes them super slick and glossy. It'll dry off like if you wash it, but the thing I like about this is it dries, like it's not on my fingers. Once you wipe it off with the microfiber, it doesn't leave this like oily residue all over the place, but it lasts a long time. So other than that, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to drop a like. Makes the YouTube algorithm happy. Other than that, this has been Tyler. May the Lord bless you and watch over you in all your ways.
God bless.
Peace out.